Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Guys, we have seen a little spike in the overall markets. We are up 5.7%, around $48,000. Let's get straight into these charts and give you guys an update on what's going on, because we have seen some major whale buying power here lately. So, even in the overall market, we have seen big major bags, big major money, institutions start to add to their positions to push this higher. And we are currently testing these next support levels. Now this is the overall market. We want to see a break through the 50,000 levels and then close above it within the next few days. That will indicate a continuation pattern to the upside. Let's get straight into the one, the only Dogelon Mars. We have 14.89% today. We have seen a major spike through previous resistance. There's not that much volume. However, because there's not that much volume, that indicates that the selling pressure is tampering down and we are getting ready for an explosion to the upside. What we want to see in the coming days is a break through this 1218 level, and we want to see more volume than our previous candles here, our previous levels, indicating that the sellers have stepped down, the buyers have stepped in, and we are moving higher for a bigger move to the upside, guys. If you were in the Patreon, you would have been issued around these 10 levels to add major bags, so you would be up around 15% right now. So congratulations to all of you who have listened. If you're interested in getting my buy and sell alerts and daily updates on the charts and price action, check out the Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description. And let's get straight into the overall price prediction for what we are going to see within the next coming weeks. So, within the next week, we want to see a spike. Within the next 2 weeks, we want to see a spike back up to the 17 level, testing it, and then it will most likely come back down and retrace to this 1350s, okay? That's beautiful. That's a beautiful move, and that is a continuation pattern to the upside, showing a natural move, spiking up, retracing around 30%, and then moving higher again. So, within the next couple days, what we want to see. Now, we're going to see some selling pressure on these 1218 levels, which is completely normal. However, what we want to see is a retracement down to these 1144s and then break through these 12s and close above this 1260 level, okay? Once we do that, our next major point of resistance are the 1350s. Now, once we break through that, then we are heading higher, and we will want to watch out for breaking through this next previous high. So, to make it really simple, my beautiful friends, we want to watch these 1260s. After that, we want to watch these 1350s, and then we are heading back up to these 17s. And once we break the 17s, it is clear sailing from there. We have a little bit of resistance here. This next all-time high might retrace just a little bit, but we should break through it with no time, because by the time it gets back up to this all-time high, Bitcoin, the overall market, will be spiked, it will be pumped, and we will be lagging behind it, moving exponentially to the upside. So if you have averaged in, whenever I have been saying this is not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire, then you will be up in profits right now. Beautiful. Volume tampering down. We are getting ready for a parabolic move. My friends, if you want to learn in-depth technical analysis, check out the course. It is 50% off. It's actually 75% off. Christmas special right now. And it's ending in a few days. It's ending in a week. And I did that about 4 days ago. So go check it out. It's ending in around 3 days. If you want to learn into technical analysis so you can trade independently in these markets and you don't have to watch these videos, you can just look at the charts and make money by clicking buttons. It's absolutely beautiful. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'm on family vacation right now. Came back from my girlfriend's house in Tennessee. Now I'm in Georgia. We are just hanging out in a little hotel/condo thing for Christmas. So it's fun. Go have some make some beautiful memories with your family. Buy the wife some hot cocoa and tell her you love her, because once we get rich, we're meeting in Bali, especially those of you in the Patreon, and we are going skydiving. That is the plan. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.